Hope you're all there. So in this, what we'll do is, we will take a few questions which are asked regularly in question papers, okay? That I have made a list of questions that I think I showed you the earlier other day, okay? So for the selected few questions, we are going to write answers in the sheets that we are got with us, okay? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. Yeah, can you see the word screen now? Word screen, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll just make it a bit bigger. Okay. So this is module 1. Okay. So what you have to do is, are you able to hear me? Sandesh, Sukrut, Mithun?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So what I expect you people to do is, whatever the question that I have made bold, okay, is it clear in your screens? Whatever that I have made bold, write that question, take out your PPT or notes that you have taken that I have given to you people, okay, answer them one by one, okay, only for the questions that are in bold. You understand? That is question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 7, question number 10, and 13. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you there? So
Yes, sir.
write the question now only in the class. Don't vanish from the class. So write the question, immediately the answer. Then write second question, answer. Third question, answer. Okay? Okay. Could you get me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One more has come, I think. Yeah, more number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. So, Dhanush, more number. Okay, what I said is, you need to answer for the questions which are in bold. Okay. Right. That is totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 questions are there. These are the questions which are repeatedly asked in the examination. Okay. All are important. All the 14 are asked repeatedly. Okay. So now we write one question after the other. First question number 1, discuss the following design criteria with examples. Answer it. Then go to, with the help of schematic diagram of a computer control closed loop, with the help of control loop, closed loop fatigue, explain. Control closed loop fatigue, explain with the help of, okay? Explain with the help of schematic diagram, the compute diagram, okay, the computer controlled closed loop fatigue testing machine. Is that okay? Are you there? Could you understand what I said? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So please take your sheets neatly, write, okay. After the completion, all the sheets you need to submit, write your name, the advanced machine design, your name and USN, and then start writing. And you have to send later on. I'll tell you when. So keep the sheets with you, write neatly, and keep. Wherever sketch is required, you write sketch and explain. Okay, in the class only now. Okay, no pending. Okay now. So start with question number 1. Okay, Dhanush, Sukrut, could you understand what I said?
Yes,
More
sir.
number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take out your the PPT that I have shared with you people. No, take down the questions. Answer these questions either from PPT, or if you have a textbook or any other notes, answer right neatly, one question after the other. This is what we are going to do from now on. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Keep writing neatly. Okay? No hatch patch writing, no hurry writing, hurry burry writing. It should be neat. If you get any doubt, please let me know. Are you people writing? Yes. Writing?
Yes, sir.
Write neatly. So don't rush. Nothing to hurry. Whatever that we complete now, again tomorrow we'll take up and then continue. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But I want you to understand and write neatly. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Finished with question 1?
No, sir.
Okay, write neatly. All are there. Yeah.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ರೀಚಾರ್ಜ್
Finished with question number 1. Hello.
No, sir, writing.
Oh, you're taking so much time. It takes so much time to write these 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, can you see the screen of Infinite Life Design? Please check your screens.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're getting this now? Safe Life Design, Fail-Safe Design, and Damage Tolerant Design, correct?
Yes, sir.
So where are you right now? Are you in Damage Tolerant Design?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can look at the screen, whatever that I have posted here. I have shared with you. You can write from there.
Yes, sir.
So in damage tolerant design, it assumes that the crack will exist, caused either by processing or by fatigue. Key items needed for damage tolerant design are residual strength, fatigue, crack growth behavior, crack detection using NDT technique. Okay, so write this from the screen. Think better. Fail-safe design you have finished, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write down damage tolerant design from the screen. Okay. It did. Yeah, given assignment making tonight. Doing making right answers, questions and answers. Those which are asked repeatedly in question paper, so making it right as a revision. That will be good, no? They will also get some practice of writing. Put the KCR, OGM, GL. ఏం చేస్తావప్ప ఎక్కువ వేసుకో టీఎన్పీకి ఏఎంఎస్ తిరుపతి వాడు తల్లి తినుకొని ఎవరిని యోచన చేస్తే ఆడ బెస్ట్ వాడిని వెళ్తే వాడు మండుకొని ఉంటాడు మండుకొని తెచ్చింది కరెక్ట్ వాడు నా మీద మండుకొని వస్తాడు కావాలని చేస్తున్నాడు ఏం బేసిస్ మీద వేస్తాము అంటే అందుకే నందిని సంతోష్ Nandini is a bit bold and she is good. She can manage. Sri Ganesh Nitya Purnima వాళ్ళది ఒకే కదా రెండు ఆవరణం జొత్త ఒక పైన వర్ణం చేర్పించి ఇట్స్ రికార్డింగ్
అయ్యో అందుకే మ్యూట్ చేయాలని చెప్పాను.
మ్యూట్ చేస్తారు. ఫినిష్డా?
Yes, sir.
Finished with damage tolerant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Note down this also. Cracks need to be repaired or components replaced. What is that? Then it will not be recorded. I can know from this now. I have to make here. Okay, did you finish with this?
Yes, sir.
Finished damage tolerant design?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you finish? Mithun Sandesh, finished?
Yes, sir.
Finished? Sukrut?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Sandesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Completed that one, sir.
Oh yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, finished with damage tolerant design?
Yes, sir.
Okay, So I'll just go through these. So this is basically fatigue design criteria, which is infinite life design, safe life design, fail-safe design, and damage tolerant design. So infinite life design requires local stress or strains to be elastic and safely below the pertinent fatigue limit. And then in safe life design, calculated life will be 20 times the desired life. Have you written all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in fail-safe design, so landing gear is the example. Okay. So it requires that one part fails, the system does not fail. Even if one small part, even if it breaks or fails, the entire system should not fail. That is what is fail-safe design. So even if there is a failure, component is safe. That is what fail-safe design is. And damage tolerant design, okay, uses fracture mechanics analysis and test to determine whether cracks will go large enough to produce failures. Okay, so that is what is damage. That is how much tolerant the damage is. What is taken in damage tolerant design. Okay, so next is closed loop control testing machine. No, I think this question I think you need to take. Can you see the Word file now? Can you
Yes,
see
sir.
the Word file?
No.
You're not able to see the Word file. So what I have to do is go stop presenting, then again start presenting window, and then choose Word file. Okay. Yeah, note down the second question. Explain with the help of a schematic diagram the computer controlled closed loop fatigue testing machine. Please note down this question. Explain with the help of schematic diagram the computer controlled closed loop fatigue testing machine. Explain with the help of schematic diagram the computer controlled closed loop fatigue testing machine. Note it down.
Yes, sir.
Noted? Okay. Yeah, now note down the sketch. Note down the sketch. It is there on your screen. So this is the specimen, and this is the strain, and this is the load cell. So from here it will go, the load strain will go to mode selector and then to analog controller. This is the hydraulic actuator. So the displacement will travel all the way to here. So the strain, load, and displacement, they come over here, and they are connected to displacement and then go to readout instrument. Then strain, one strand is connected to readout instrument, another is connected to the mode selector. Okay, and one more is to digital processor interface. Okay, then the load, from load, one will go to readout instrument, another will go to mode selector and then to analog controller, and then another input goes to digital processor interface. From there to analog controller. Okay, please write down the sketch in your notebook, in your sheet. See, from here you need not have to write these three. Okay, load, size, strain, and displacement. From here directly you can connect it to this readout instrument and then bring it to one bar. You can bring it to mode selector. You can avoid these things. Okay, that is, you can avoid this much of the circuit. Okay, no need of taking this much of the circuit. Okay, so directly from load you can connect it over here, and then it will go to readout instrument, and then one will go to mode selector. Then from strain you can directly bring it down to strain, and displacement. You can also bring it to. So you can avoid this much of the circuit. So you can avoid these lines also. Avoid these lines and this extra circuit that he has shown. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you there? There is a closed loop fatigue testing, computer controlled closed loop fatigue testing machine, which is normally used nowadays in research labs. This is loading frame, specimen, load cell, strain gauge indicator. This is displacement indicator. This is hydraulic actuator. This is servo valve. Noted down the sketch.
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, please listen to me now. Okay, complete that sketch and write up today. Tomorrow we'll take up 2 more questions. Okay, tomorrow morning. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
this today you complete. Okay, by in the afternoon. Okay, computer controlled fatigue testing machine. Tomorrow we'll take up the next 2-3 questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Fine. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.